Hello there my crochet friends. I'm going to just do a quick video today on a tip that'll help if you have wonky granny squares where the squares sort of are not straight, the lines are a little bit wonky. So there's an easy fix. So as you're coming to the end of a round, and I'm doing 3 trebles, but this will work for whichever type of granny square, or it should do anyway. So I'm going to slip stitch to join there. I'm going to cut my yarn and put it through. Now then, just to prevent that twist that you get in the squares, turn your work over, and you're now going to be working in the opposite direction because you've turned your work over. So the next, I never rejoin to the same corner as I finished on. I rejoin to the next one. So you're evening out where your 3 chains will be for your first stitch. So I'm going to rejoin into the next corner, but rejoin wherever your pattern tells you to. And this is the way I rejoin. Go through, do a stitch. I mean, this isn't what the video is about, but this is how I do it. And then I do 3 chains, and then I work over this little piece here for my first corner. So now working in the opposite direction to you were on the row before. And then once I've done my 3 to make my corner, I can snip that end off, and I'll continue around to the end. And I'm coming up now to the end of this round. So you do your slip stitch to join. Doesn't want to go in. There we go. My slip stitch to join. I'm going to cut my thread, pull that through. I do like to weave it in and out once or twice, and leave it at the chain where the next corner is going to be, because I can then stitch over that before I snip it. But I'm going to move to the, turn it over, okay, and I'm going to move to the next corner to start the next row. So by turning it over, you're going to be going in the opposite direction. Yeah, so I'll join there, and the next colour then will start going round. So that the theory is that because you're changing direction every row, you're going to keep it straight if you do have a problem with your grannies being a bit wonky. Hope that helps. Bye.